ipapasok natin yung sasakyan.
Saan punta?
Yeah,
Via
that one. Yeah.
Ereham, ano?
You know, Stockholm via, yeah, that one. Viking Line. And check in na natin yung ating sasakyan. Around 7:50 na alis na yung cruise. So we need a passport. New experience. Ayan. Dala-dala po natin yung ating sasakyan. So more convenient. But everything is first time. Ayan. So we just follow those cars and let's go to the cruise. Here we are, Gabriela. And this is our cruise, the Viking. And the name is Gabriela. The other side, ayun po yung Silja Line. Yes. Let's go na, let's go.